Getting stars and points on Starbucks. In this video, you are going to learn how to get stars and points on Starbucks application. So let's get started. First, go to your Starbucks mobile application from your phone. Now in the Starbucks application, in the bottom of the screen, you will see an option of gift with a gift icon. Tap on this option and you will see this option on the next screen that says got a gift card, edit here. Tap on this option and two options will appear. The one is join Starbucks for rewards or sign in. If you sign in, you need to redeem your code, and if you select the first option that says join Starbucks rewards, a form like this will appear. You will add the details accordingly and then you will tap on the option that says join now. That's how you will be able to get stars, points and credits on Starbucks mobile application. That's all. It's pretty much simple.